My name is Sister Zef, and I teach in Gujranwala, Punjab, Pakistan. I started my school when I was just 13 years old. I started the school in the courtyard of my home. And now after 26 years, I'm here. 250 children are getting 100% 10 years free education in my school, and all of these children are underprivileged children who otherwise cannot have an access to education. And this is the goal of my life, and I will keep doing it as long as I'm alive. So I believe that every teacher in the world, of course you have challenges, but you also have the potential to overcome those challenges and keep doing your wonderful work that you are doing, because wherever our world has reached today, it is because of the teachers. We could not make this much progress if there were no teachers.